Bismillah. Today we're going to discuss about the link reaction. आज हम link reaction को discuss करेंगे. So overall process during the link reaction will take place. That is, pyruvate would convert into acetyl-CoA. During glycolysis, each glucose molecule would give us two pyruvate molecules. So now these two pyruvate molecules would convert into the acetyl-CoA. Two molecules of acetyl-CoA. So these two molecules of acetyl-CoA later on used up in Krebs cycle. So there are two molecules of acetyl-CoA, or we can say acetyl-CoA is acting as a raw material for the Krebs cycle, so that it can be used up in Krebs cycle or TCA cycle to give us further amount of energy. So to give us ATP, to give us FADH and NADH as well. So right over here we say, as a process of glycolysis, each molecule of glucose would convert into two pyruvate molecules, two NADH molecule, let's say to reduce NADH, to reduce NAD molecule, and give us and also give us two ATP. Now we say, as a result of, so we say end product of glycolysis would be two pyruvate molecule, two reduced NAD molecule, and we say two ATP. Now these two pyruvate molecules, they would move from cytoplasm to the matrix of mitochondria. So this movement from the cytoplasm to the matrix of mitochondria, it will take place in the process of active transport. By the process of active transport, pyruvate molecule would move from the cytoplasm to the matrix of mitochondria. So inside the matrix of mitochondria, link reaction would take place. Sometimes you might have the question, what is the site of link reaction? The site of link reaction is matrix of mitochondria, which is inner core of the mitochondria. So in the mitochondria lecture, we would study about all the sections and all the regions of the mitochondria in detail. So right over here, so end product of glycolysis was pyruvate. So now this two molecule of pyruvate are produced. So these two pyruvate molecules, they would undergo decarboxylation, dehydrogenation, and also combine with coenzyme A. So right over here, in this process of link reaction, pyruvate decarboxylated. So during the decarboxylated from the pyruvate, carbon dioxide is removed. So during decarboxylation, this 3-carbon sugar would convert into the 2-carbon molecule. We say this 3-carbon molecule would convert into the 2-carbon molecule, which is acetyl-CoA. So right over here, pyruvate is decarboxylated. As a result of decarboxylated, one carbon dioxide molecule is produced. So dehydrogenated as well. During dehydrogenation, reduced NAD is produced. Now this reduced NAD would be used up in oxidative phosphorylation to give us ATP, because these reactions are the stepwise release of energy. Now we say this pyruvate also combined with coenzyme A. Coenzyme A is a very complex molecule. This coenzyme A is a complex molecule. It is made up of adenine and ribose as well. It is also made up as a mixture of adenine, ribose, and pentothenic acid. Pentothenic acid is vitamin B5 as well. So pentothenic acid is one of the vitamin of B complex series, so which is vitamin B5. So this coenzyme A is acting as a carrier molecule for the transportation of pyruvate to this pyruvate is converted to acetyl-CoA and is transported to the cycle which is known as Krebs cycle. So we say during the whole reaction, pyruvate would convert into the acetyl-CoA. This acetyl-CoA is transported to the TCA cycle, where it is further used up. So right over here, pyruvate combined with CoA plus NAD. So these are the reactant of this reaction. So as a result of this, acetyl-CoA is produced. One carbon dioxide is removed. Carbon is removed in the form of carbon dioxide, which is acting as a waste product of this reaction as well. And reduced NAD is produced. So this reduced NAD would be later on used up in where it will use up in oxidative phosphorylation, which is also known as electron transport chain. So again over here, during the fatty acid, during the fat metabolism, during the fatty acid oxidation, which is beta oxidation, also give us 2-carbon compound, which is acetyl-CoA. Now this acetyl-CoA also supposed to be entered into the TCA cycle or Krebs cycle, where it is further processed as well, right? So our overall reaction of link reaction, I would say the overall process of link reaction is it would take place in the matrix of mitochondria. One thing. Other thing is, so pyruvate is transported to the matrix. So active transport, where ATP is being used up, we say we use the word active transport. And the next thing is this pyruvate molecule is decarboxylated, dehydrogenated, and combined coenzymate to give us acetyl-CoA plus carbon dioxide plus reduced NAD. So it's a reduced NAD would be used up later on in oxidative phosphorylation. We say over there it would give us energy in the form of ATP. We're going to discuss it later on as well. So this was the whole reaction of link reaction. So we say when one glucose molecule would undergo the link reaction, it would give us two acetyl-CoA molecule, two reduced NAD, and plus two, like say, also give us two molecule of carbon dioxide as well. When one molecule of glucose would when one molecule of glucose would go under the link reaction. Thank you very much.